In the previous video, I showed you how I made these and other animations. These are very simple animations and are really fun to do for GIF for social media. So to export it as a GIF, you go to Settings, Share, Animated GIF. You again check how many frames per second do you want. If you want it with maximum resolution, that will depend on the resolution you gave to your artwork. Here you can see the final size of the file, or if you want it web ready, which as you can see here in the file size is way smaller, and that means it doesn't consume too much data, and it can be seen with good quality in mobile devices. However, for webs, like if people use big screens, maybe it will not look good, so it will depend on you. Though check this final file size if you want to export for example social media. It will be better to use web ready. If you want it for videos, like I will not recommend GIF. Actually, I would recommend MP4. So you can change this, and if you want to erase the background, then you choose transparent background. But in this case, it's not good because my avocado is kind of dim in the colors, like kind of transparent colors. But this is useful for example, the GIF that you can see in WhatsApp or other apps or messaging apps, because it allows you to integrate the video or the character inside the animation into the background of the app, the native background of the app. That's where you want to use transparent background. But if you have a specific background, then just leave it. This I barely use it. That is like the perfect color palette. I can talk about this in another video, but I normally don't use it. Okay, same about glittering. I don't use it in these animations anyway. So you just check how many frames per second you want in your final video and click export. Let's do this for social media. Export, and I will just save it as an image that you can save in Drive or your preferred folder. Another way of sharing is MP4, that is basically a video file, also HEVC, and the PNG. What it does is it actually exports each frame separately. This I only use it when I want to export the frames to another animation I'm doing in After Effects. It's actually very good for that. You can do this also in Photoshop, for example. You can export, if you create the frames in Photoshop, then it's the same. You exported each frame as a separate file, and then you import those files into After Effects. That's another technique. So be aware that this will not create a video, it will create images. Each image per file, like one image per file. Okay, so this is it for today, and if you have any other question about animation in Procreate or animation in general, just leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.